In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this cool typewriter text effect. Start by clicking on the Type tool, then type your text. Then in the Essential Graphics panel on the right, you can change the font, you can increase or decrease the size of the font, and you can also align the text. Now go over to Effects and type Crop. Add the crop effect to your text layer. In the Effect Controls panel, click on the right and set the first keyframe to 100. After that, move forward a couple of seconds and change the keyframe to 0. The closer you place the keyframes, the faster the animation will be. You can also add sound effects to make this animation even more engaging. But other than that, the animation is done, and that's how easy it is to make. If you want more tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!